Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Notifications right away. Following that, click on App Settings at the top. Select Most Recent and click on the best option for you, like Most Frequent, or in this case, All Apps. Finally, click on the blue sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on by hitting the same now gray sweater. If you want to, you can also click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!